Crystal filters are the backbone of precision RF, but mastering their simulation and testing? That's where design gets real. First, open your simulation suite, ADS, LTS Spice, or your tool of choice. Start with manufacturer models such as Dynamic Engineers Inc. They make accurate motional LCR values and shunt capacitance so your sim matches real-world specs. Focus on the essentials: center frequency, bandwidth, group delay. Plot S21 for insertion loss and skirt selectivity. High-Q designs show steep roll-off and minimal passband ripple, exactly what you want for tight RF specs. But don't stop at simulation. Take it to the bench. Use your VNA to measure insertion loss, check center frequency, and verify group delay. Real layouts can introduce parasitics, so validate performance, don't assume it. Dynamic Engineers crystal filters streamline this workflow. Their models, S parameters, and precision specs minimize guesswork, so what you simulate is what you build. From simulation to bench, trust Dynamic Engineers for your next RF design. Check out dynamicengineers.com, because in RF, precision isn't optional. Simulate, test, trust.